I bet you didn't know meal prepping could be this easy. Imagine a mountain of Tupperware, each container filled with delicious, perfectly portioned meals. Welcome to the world of meal prep. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to making meal prep not just a habit, but a lifestyle. Get ready to transform your kitchen and your life.
But what if I told you there's a way to conquer those weeknight dinner dilemmas and nourish your body without turning into a gourmet chef? The secret weapon? Meal prepping. Now, before you envision a mountain of Tupperware taking over your fridge, let me assure you, it's not as daunting as it seems.
Meal prepping is simply about dedicating a little time up front to prepare your meals or components of your meals in advance. This practice can be as simple or as elaborate as you want it to be. Whether you're chopping vegetables for the week, cooking multiple dishes simultaneously, or just organizing your kitchen counter with various fresh ingredients, meal prepping can fit into any lifestyle. Think of it as giving your future self the gift of time and good health. By investing a few hours on the weekend or during your free time, you can ensure that you have nutritious, delicious meals ready to go throughout the week. This not only saves you time, but also helps you maintain a balanced diet. Imagine this. You open the fridge on that chaotic Wednesday night, and instead of facing a wasteland of takeout containers, you find a beautifully prepped salad, a portion of roasted chicken, and a side of quinoa already waiting for you. No more last-minute scrambles to figure out what's for dinner or resorting to unhealthy options because you're too tired to cook. Dinner is served in minutes. You can spend more quality time with your family or simply relax after a long day, knowing that a nutritious meal is just a few steps away. But the benefits of meal prepping go beyond just saving time. It can also help you make healthier choices. Planning your meals in advance helps you resist the temptation of unhealthy takeout or convenience foods. When you have a plan and the ingredients ready, it's much easier to stick to a healthy eating routine. Save money. Eating home-cooked meals is generally more affordable than dining out or ordering in. By buying ingredients in bulk and planning your meals, you can significantly cut down on your food expenses. Plus, you have control over the quality and quantity of the ingredients you use. Reduce stress. Knowing your meals are taken care of can alleviate a significant amount of daily stress. You don't have to worry about what to cook or if you have the ingredients. Everything is planned and prepped, giving you peace of mind and more time to focus on other important aspects of your life. With meal prepping, you can reclaim your time and energy, allowing you to pursue hobbies, spend time with loved ones, or even get in that extra workout. It's a small investment with a big payoff, making your life easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the stars of the meal prep show, the foods themselves. And what better place to start than with the foundation of a healthy diet? Leafy greens, spinach, kale, romaine lettuce. These nutrient-packed powerhouses are your best friends when it comes to meal prepping. They're incredibly versatile, store well, and provide a hefty dose of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Think beyond the basic salad, though a big bowl of greens is never a bad idea. Sauté spinach with garlic for a quick side dish, toss kale into smoothies for a nutritional boost, or use romaine lettuce cups as a low-carb wrap alternative. Next up, let's add a splash of color to our meal prep containers with a rainbow of vegetables. From crunchy bell peppers to earthy sweet potatoes, the options are endless. Roast a large batch of mixed vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and onions on Sunday to use throughout the week. They're delicious on their own, added to salads, or incorporated into grain bowls. Don't forget about frozen vegetables. They're a lifesaver when you're short on time and can be added directly to soups, stews, or stir-fries. Remember, the more colorful your plate, the wider range of nutrients you're getting. So, get creative and experiment with different combinations. No meal prep plan is complete without a good source of protein. Protein helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, supports muscle growth, and plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. Chicken is a meal prep staple for a reason. It's affordable, versatile, and relatively quick to cook. Roast a whole chicken on Sunday and use the meat for salads, sandwiches, or soups throughout the week. But don't feel limited to poultry. Other great protein sources for meal prep include fish, salmon, tuna, and cod are all excellent choices. Tofu, a plant-based protein that's highly versatile. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are packed with protein and fiber. Section 6. Grains of truth carbs that won't quit. In this section, we delve into the world of grains that provide long-lasting energy and essential nutrients. Carbs often get a bad rap, but they're an essential source of energy for your body. They fuel your brain, muscles, and other vital organs, making them indispensable for daily activities and overall health. The key is to choose complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy and are rich in fiber. These carbs break down slowly, keeping you full longer and helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Quinoa is a meal prep superstar. This ancient grain is not only versatile but also packed with nutrients. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids and it cooks up quickly. Quinoa is also high in fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse addition to any meal. Use it as a base for grain bowls, a side dish, or even a breakfast porridge. Its versatility allows it to be incorporated into various meals, from savory to sweet. Other great grain options for meal prep include brown rice, a nutty and versatile grain. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a healthier alternative to white rice. Farro, a chewy grain with a slightly sweet flavor. It's packed with protein, fiber, and iron, making it a nutritious choice for salads and grain bowls. Oats, perfect for overnight oats or a warm breakfast bowl. They are high in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Oats are also incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, from breakfast to baking. Section 7. Healthy fats, happy meals, avocado, nuts, and more. Don't fear the fat. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. They also add flavor and satisfaction to your meals. Avocado is a meal prep dream. It's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Add sliced avocado to salads, sandwiches, or toast for a creamy and nutritious boost. Other healthy fat sources to include in your meal prep. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all great options. Olive oil. Use it for salad dressings, roasting vegetables, or drizzling over finished dishes. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. In Section 8, spice up your life, flavor without the fuss. Meal prepping doesn't have to be bland. In fact, one of the best ways to stay excited about your prepped meals is to experiment with different flavors and spices. Create a DIY spice rack with your favorite herbs and spices. Some versatile options include garlic powder, which adds a savory depth to any dish; onion powder, a convenient alternative to fresh onions; dried oregano, perfect for Italian-inspired dishes; and cumin, which adds a warm, earthy flavor to Mexican and Indian cuisine. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try new spice blends, experiment with different cuisines, and make your meal prep a culinary adventure. Section 9. The Sunday Ritual, Tips for Meal Prep Success. Now that you're armed with an arsenal of meal prep-friendly foods, let's talk about how to make it happen. Meal prepping can seem daunting at first, but with a little planning and organization, it can become a seamless part of your weekly routine. Sunday afternoons are a popular time for meal prepping, but find a day and time that works best for your schedule. Whether it's Saturday morning or a weekday evening, consistency is key. Make it a ritual that you look forward to. Here are a few tips to set yourself up for success. First, plan your meals by deciding what you want to eat for the week and making a grocery list. This helps you stay organized and ensures you have all the ingredients you need. Consider incorporating a variety of proteins, vegetables, and grains to keep your meals balanced and interesting. Next, invest in quality containers. Glass containers are ideal for reheating and preventing staining, and they come in various sizes to fit different portions. Having the right containers can make a big difference in how long your meals stay fresh and how easy they are to reheat. Cook in bulk by doubling or tripling your recipes to save time and effort. This way, you can prepare multiple meals at once and reduce the amount of time you spend cooking throughout the week. Batch cooking also allows you to experiment with different recipes and flavors. Finally, utilize your freezer by freezing individual portions for those days when you're really short on time. Label your containers with the date and contents to keep track of what you have. This ensures you always have a healthy meal ready to go, even on your busiest days. Section 10. Your future self will thank you. Imagine this. It's Wednesday night, you're home from work, and your stomach is growling. But instead of feeling that familiar sense of dread, you open the fridge to a symphony of colors and aromas. Your prepped meals are waiting, ready to nourish your body and soul. That's the power of meal prepping. It's about taking care of your future self, setting yourself up for success, and making healthy eating a joyful and sustainable part of your life. Section 11. Join the meal prep revolution. So, are you ready to ditch the takeout menus and embrace the world of meal prepping? It's time to reclaim your time, nourish your body, and experience the transformative power of food freedom. Start small, experiment with different recipes, and find what works best for you. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Join the meal prep revolution and discover a world of delicious possibilities.